Alright guys, I thought I'd show you a little project that I've been working on a little longer than I wanted to, but I wanted to make a tumbler, the little vibrating tumbler that I have. It's starting to wear out, the inside bolt is, and it doesn't do as good a job as I hope it did. So this is like prototype 27, but ultimately if you take a look, I got a hold of a treadmill. So we got treadmill idler from the end of the treadmill drive, treadmill motor. I cannibalized the parts needed to, just the controller and the speed control to make everything work. Kind of hot wired that together. So when I slide the slider, the motor turns the treadmill drive wheel, and there you have it. For a container, I'm still working on prototypes, so this is the best I've come up with right now. Basically, it's a 5-gallon bucket. I really wanted to have something that I could make easily if one wore out. I also wanted something that I could have maybe 2 or 3 buckets of different grits and things like that, so I could easily change it out without having to go through a lot. Problem is that I don't have, because the buckets are nesting, there wasn't a lot of surface area. Also, it was at an angle, so if you take a look at what I did, I have a half a bucket stuck on the end of a full bucket. I know it's a cob job, but it's all prototyping and to prove things out. So basically cut one bucket in half, slide it up, and then tape it together. That gives me 2 ends with the same diameter. Even then, it was slipping too much because I was only running on 2 very small points. So I bought a 12.5-inch bicycle inner tubes and snapped those on the end. And for now that works. Let me show you. Set the speed that I want. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and either fill this in, maybe I put a couple of something to fill it in to give me more contact. That's all I really need. Or I'll create another option. Propane cylinder might work. I just wanted something easy to replace when it came time to replace it. I can just crank that up to whatever speed I think is necessary. So there it is, neat little build. Got the treadmill for free. Somebody had the belt or something. The belt that you walk on was worn out. So treadmill didn't cost much. Couple of buckets. That's it. Here, let me show you what we got. Started off with a bunch of rusty old shoes, and after about an hour of tumbling, that's what they look like. So it's still not getting all the dirt out from in the grooves. I got to work on a solution for that. But I mean, I got probably a dozen shoes, so I'd say that works pretty good. Nice little cheap thing. There you go. Catch you in the next one.